This one is possessive pronouns are those pronouns which are used to show ownership or possessive. They are mine, hers, his, ours and theirs. See here children, this one is a ownership. Idu namdu. This pencil is a mine. This pencil is a yours. This pencil herself. ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾರು ಓನರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಅದು ನಾವು ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಂತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು possessive pronouns ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Next it is reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used in a sentence when the object of the sentence is the same as the subject. Here the action reflects back on the subject. They are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, themselves. For example, he saw himself in the bedroom mirror. You will hurt yourself. The dog was licking itself. See, ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂತೀವಲ್ಲ, the decoration I did myself only. The decoration did she said. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ ಆ ಕೆಲಸ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Come to relative pronouns. Relative pronouns is used in a sentence to connect a group of words to known a pronoun. They are who, which, whose, whom, what. This one is a interrogative sentence. Okay children. Relative pronouns is a interrogative sentence. Interrogative, you know na, question mark. Okay. Whom, what, why. We'll ask na. This type of a sentence we call relative pronouns or interrogative sentence. Okay. Personal pronouns. This one is a personal pronoun. Personal pronouns divided by two parts. One is a subjective pronoun, another is a objective pronouns. First we learn subjective pronouns. In the subjective pronouns is a first person singular I, plural we. Then second person you, plural you only. Third person he, she, it, they all are the subjective pronouns. Here children, subjective pronouns only I, she, you, he. ಆ ಥರ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಕಮ್ ಟು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್. ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ me, as, you, him, her, them. See here, objective pronouns ಗೆ me, ನಂದು, herself, her, him, it ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಗಿವನ್, ಯು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಡೂ ದಿಸ್. This one is a homework for you. Then come to here. Replace the nouns in the bold with the correct pronouns from the box given below. Here some options are given. We have to write. Riya and Preeti are cousins. Riya and Preeti decided to go to zoo together. Again they used Riya and Preeti na. If behalf of this you will use they. Okay? They now use ಮಾಡು. They decided to go to the zoo ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವ. Raghav and Samir agreed to go to the park. Raghav and Samir wanted to see the new swing. They. Again they both will use na Raghav and Samir ಅಂತ. Behalf of this they will use they ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? Mrs. Singh loved Krishna and Saroj. She wanted to buy ice cream for Krishna and Saroj. ಈಗ ಮಿಸಸ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅವರು ಕೃಷ್ಣ and ಸರೋಜ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬೇಬಿಗೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ತೊಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರೆ. ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದೆಮ್ನ. ಶಿ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಬೈ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ದೆಮ್. ಓಕೆ. ರಾಹುಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ರಿಯಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದ pastry at the new bakery. Rahul and I thought of the thanking the baker. With behalf of Rahul and I we use we. Okay. The teacher told the students must bring the exercise book tomorrow. You student, you must bring the exercise tomorrow. My brother and I gave Naina a gift. Naina gave me brother and me a thank you note. As behalf of my brother we use as. Okay, us as. possessive. See here. Come to last one, indefinitive pronoun. Okay, indefinitive pronoun are used for something which is not definite or which is not specific. They are anybody, anybody, anyone, someone, somebody, all, every, few, both, each, many, much, nobody, no one. Okay, like this we'll use na. See, we are not definite who did that. We are not yet decided who did. Anybody, if we'll ask any question na, teachers what will tell teacher? Anybody know this answer? We will not mention. Hey Rahul, get up. If you tell na, teacher ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ, ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, like this only. Particular ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ, ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ indefinitive pronouns ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. We call indefinitive pronouns. Okay children, here is the some work was given. This much I'll show you, then remaining I'll give you homework. Fill in the blanks with the correct personal or possessive pronouns. Here we have to choose possessive pronouns or personal pronouns. Personal in the both subject or object. Okay. Dash played football with as new friends. Dash played football with his new friend. We'll tell na. We'll use he played football with his new friend. He comes to personal pronouns. It's a personal pronouns. Okay. After school, all the children decided to eat ice cream. They said it was delicious. Okay. It is also a personal. Arpita decided to go to the park every day. She thought that her mother could go along with herself too. Herself. See here. Self. Possessive. Rima said that Dash should go back home quickly because the sun was setting. She should go back home quickly because the sun was setting. Personal. Okay. She will use the personal. A red bus is parked in the middle of the road. It has a punctured tire. It's also a personal. It comes bantalva. Whose music CD is playing in the music player? The CD is mine. Mine also possessive. Mine ownership ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ವಾ? So it's a possessive. Laurie told her that Dash could bring their crayons to school the next day. They could bring the crayons school the next day. It's also personal. They will use na. It's also a personal. That blue shirt is not mine. It is yours also ನಾವು ಬರಿಬಹುದು or his also. If you will write yours, we have to put question mark. Then if you will write his, don't need to question mark. We have to put full stop. Okay children, it's a possessive. Okay, this B main is given. This one is a homework for you. 10 is there, you only solve.